How to develop passive income in 6 months or less with no initial investment. Are you tired of the daily grind of working 9 to 5 and struggling to make ends meet? Do you dream of a life where you can work less and enjoy more free time with your loved ones? If so, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to develop passive income in 6 months or less with no initial investment required. That's right, you don't need to be rich, talented, or lucky to start earning money passively. You just need the right mindset, strategies, and persistence. So, if you're ready to discover how to make money while you sleep, travel, or relax, keep watching. You'll learn the most effective ways to generate passive income, avoid common pitfalls, and accelerate your financial freedom. So, let's get started with method number 1. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income by promoting other people's products. All you must do is find products or services that you believe in and promote them to your audience. Affiliate marketing is a business model that allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products. You simply sign up for an affiliate program, get a unique link to the product or service, and promote it on your audience. If someone makes a purchase using your link, you can earn a commission. To be successful with affiliate marketing, it's important to choose products and services that you believe in and that are a good fit for your audience. You'll also need to create content that promotes the product in a way that's authentic and helpful. This can include blog posts, social media posts, or videos. Some of the best affiliate marketing programs out there include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale. These platforms make it easy to find products to promote and provide you with tools and resources to help you succeed. Next up, we have method number 2. Selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products is a great way to earn passive income because you only have to create the product once and it can be sold multiple times. Digital products can include anything that can be downloaded, such as ebooks, courses, or printables. The key to success with digital products is to create something that solves a problem or provides value to your audience. To create a digital product, you'll need to choose a topic, create the content, and then design and package the product. You can then sell the product on your own website or on a platform like Gumroad or Etsy. Marketing your digital product is also important and can include tactics like email marketing, social media advertising, or creating content that promotes the product. Moving on to method number 3, dropshipping. Dropshipping is a popular way to earn passive income by selling products without having to handle the inventory or shipping. With dropshipping, you create an online store and list products from a supplier. When a customer purchases a product, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. This means you don't have to handle any inventory or shipping yourself. To be successful with dropshipping, it's important you choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a high demand. You'll also need to choose products that sell, that have a good profit margin, and are in demand. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up your online store and integrate with dropshipping suppliers. You'll also need to optimize your store for search engines and use social media and other marketing tactics to drive traffic and sales. Next up, we have method number 4, investing in real estate. Investing in real estate can be a great way to earn passive income through rental income and appreciation. Real estate investing can be done in a variety of ways, including rental properties, house flipping, and real estate investment trusts, also known as REITs. To get started, you'll need to do your research and choose a strategy that aligns with your goals and budget. Once you've chosen a strategy, you'll need to find properties that fit your criteria and analyze them to make sure they're a good investment. You'll also need to manage the properties, which can include finding tenants, collecting rent, and handling repairs and maintenance. Moving on to method number 5. Creating and selling online courses is another great way to earn passive income by sharing your expertise with others. To create an online course, you need to choose a topic that you're knowledgeable about and that your audience is interested in. You'll then need to create the content, which can include videos, written materials, and quizzes. Once you've created your course, you'll need to market it to your audience through email marketing, social media, and other channels. You can also sell your course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, which make it easier to create and sell courses. And finally, we have method number 6, investing in dividend stocks can be a great way to earn passive income by receiving regular payouts from your investments. Dividend investing involves buying stocks and companies that pay out regular dividends to their shareholders. To get started, you'll need to do your research and choose stocks that have a history of paying out dividends and that are expected to continue to do so in the future. You'll also need to manage your portfolio, which could include rebalancing your holdings, monitoring your dividend income, and reinvesting your dividends. So, there you have it. 6 different methods to develop passive income in just 6 months or less, with no initial investment required. In the next section, I'll give you my top tips for making sure you'll succeed with each of these methods. Top tips for succeeding with passive income. In this section, I'll share my top tips for succeeding with each of these passive income methods. Tip number 1, be patient. Passive income takes time to build, so be patient and don't expect overnight success. It can take months or even years to see significant returns, but if you stick with it, you can build a reliable source of passive income. Tip number 2, stay focused. It's easy to get distracted by shiny new opportunities, but staying focused on your chosen method is the key to success. Avoid jumping from one method to another and instead commit to your chosen method and give it your all. Tip number 3, continuously improve. To maximize your earnings, you'll need to continuously improve and refine your strategies. Stay up to date on industry trends and best practices, and be open to trying new approaches to see what works best for you. Tip number 4, don't be afraid to fail. Not every passive income opportunity will be a success, and that's okay. Don't be afraid to try new things and take risks, as failure can be a valuable learning experience that helps you grow and improve. And that's a wrap on how to develop your passive income in 6 months or less with no initial investment. I hope you found this video helpful and motivating, and that you're excited to start your own passive income journey. Now, I'd like to hear from you. Which of these passive income methods I discussed today resonated with you the most? Have you already tried any of them, or are you planning to try them soon? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you want to stay connected and get more tips and resources on personal finance, entrepreneurship, and self-improvement, make sure to follow me on social media. I post daily updates and insights that you won't find anywhere else. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.